Alright, this is another edition of the Fly Right Boys. We got Kevin here on the Cessna. We've been modified, repainted, red and black. He's checking over his remote. You can see it in his hand, the big orange. He loves it. With his Spectrum receivers on the inside, he's making sure he's zero out all this stuff. Are you ready? Whenever you ready, bro. Make sure when you go, you turn to that wind, because it's almost like his side is coming straight now. Please.
Can you pause it?
Let me start up. And if I do, it's going to start a whole nother one. And it's died a little bit. Hello, Tower. This is John. Are we clear for takeoff? You are clear for takeoff. And it's up. And he's flying. Turn around. There you go. It's a little gusty. It's a little gusty. He's up. He's soaring. You back off your power. Let it cruise. And the Cessna is moving. And he's coming in hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And that was the first attempt of the Cessna.